This dance is called Piao Xue, 32 count, 4 walls. It's an intermediate level line dance, and there are 2 restarts in this dance. During wall 3 and wall 6 after 16 count. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your left foot, step left to the side. Rock back on right. Recover on left. Step right to right. Rock back on left. Recover on right. Make a quarter turn to your right. Another quarter turn to the right. Do a cross shuffle. Cross, side, cross. And a side rock cross. Side rock cross. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. 8 and 1. Section 2, make a quarter turn to your right by stepping your left back. Make a half turn to your right and sweep with your left. Do a cross back, back, and cross back, back. Drag your left next to right. So section 2 with a count. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Section 3, scissors cross. Side together cross. Step your right to side. Rock your left back. Recover on right. Step left to the side. Rock your right back. Recover. Make a quarter turn to your left by stepping your right. And step your left back. Recover on right. Make a full turn to your right. Half, half. Section 3 with a count. 1 and 2 and 3. 4 and 5. 6 and 7. 8 and 1. Last section. Step back on your left. Back together forward. Rock right. Recover half turn to the right. And make a pivot half turn. Step half turn to your right. And a quarter turn to the right. Sway left, sway right, and you drag your left next to right. And you finish the dance here. Let me show you the last section with the count. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. So in this dance, there is a restart during wall 3 of 16 count. So let me show you wall 3. Wall 3 facing 6 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. This is the end of 16 count, and you do a restart here. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, that's how you continue the fourth wall from here. Similarly, for wall 6, you also do a restart after 16 count.